The 18th major Jubilee event took place in Rome, led by Pope Leo, the Jubilee of the Holy See. It is aimed at recognizing and celebrating the work and ministry of those working at the Vatican. The event culminated in a Mass in St. Peter's Basilica. EWTN Vatican journalist Bénédicte Cedergren has more.
Since the beginning of the year, hundreds of groups have walked through the Holy Door of St. Peter's Basilica, carrying the official cross and central symbol of the 2025 Year of Hope. For the Jubilee of the Holy See, celebrated for all the administrative offices of the Church, the procession was led by Pope Leo himself, who carried the cross like an ordinary pilgrim. The Jubilee began with a meditation offered by Sister Maria Gloria Riva, a sister of the Blessed Sacrament and Our Lady, who spoke about the Eucharist as a sacrament of our hope.
Il grande anelito di Gesù.
Jesus' greatest longing is connected to hope, that all may be one. The Eucharist is a viaticum for this eternal hope that wonderfully ties together past, present, and future. We also know that in the Eucharist, the unity of all people is both signified and produced.
È significata e prodotta.
Following Sister Riva's talk, the officials of the Roman Curia processed together with Pope Leo through the Holy Door to St. Peter's Basilica, where he celebrated Mass. As the Jubilee fell on the same day as the liturgical feast of Mary, Mother of the Church, Pope Leo reflected in his homily on this happy coincidence and the spiritual foundations of the Apostolic See.
The
Holy See experiences in a very special way the coexistence of the two poles, the Marian and the Petrine. It is precisely the Marian pole, with its motherhood, gift of Christ and of the Spirit, that ensures the fruitfulness and holiness of the Petrine pole.
Dono di Cristo e dello Spirito.
Pope Leo thanked the employees and the officials of the Roman Curia for safeguarding the holiness of her roots and for bearing witness to the fruitfulness of Mary and the Church when they carry on their work with commitment. But, he added, the fruit cannot be born without sacrifice.
Tutta la fecondità della Chiesa.
All the fruitfulness of the Church and of the Holy See depends on the cross of Christ. Otherwise, it is only appearance, if not worse.
Se non peggio.
In Rome, Bénédicte Cedergren, EWTN News Nightly.